How to see old street views from your Google Maps here on your device. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel again, and let's start this video without any further delay. To see old vibes or old street views from your Google account or in the Google Maps specifically, how you can do it. Open the Google Map here in front of you on your PC and let your browser to open it in front of you. So this is my area. As you can see, this is my area's map right now. I can search anything from the right or left top of the screen. That is a search on Google Maps. What I have to do is to change a setting. Let me just search any area from this Google Map menu, like this area. And then here I will click on the direction. In direction, I should enter any other location, that is my home. And now to see map as an old map here, I will have to switch it to the map detail in the satellite section. Whenever you will switch to the satellite, you will see the roads clearly, the rivers, the gardens, the greenery of plants, and many more from this view. And you can also view the street view specifically from this menu itself. This is all about the Google Maps, this setting. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel for watching such updates and videos like this.